Hi FET, my name is Menchi Palencia. I'm 31 years old and I'm from Philippines. And I'm really excited to apply as your next superstar. I have spent over 10 years in retail, specializing in customer service, communications, and sales with some global brands. I really love connecting with customers, understanding their needs, and creating memorable shopping experience that builds loyalty. What makes me unique is the way I connect with people, is how I connect with our customers. I just don't sell products, I create experiences, which I think one of the most important factor in interacting with people or with our customers. I love making lasting memories with my customers by listening to their needs, guiding them to the right item or to the right solution, and ensuring they leave with a smile and reason to come back. What really excites me about Effie is the both culture and the collection. Effie feels like a family that truly supports its team with backup trainings, growth opportunities, and that really inspires me. When I browse the Effie products, the collection that really catch my eyes are the watercolor collection and the vintage Panther collection. The watercolor collection is it stands out with its vibrant sapphires in shades of blue, pink, green, and yellow, playful and joyful, and really full of life. It's often accented with diamonds that makes every piece sparkle like a memory from a frozen in time. The signature Panther collection, on the other hand, represents strength and elegance. With bold panther design, diamond details, emerald eyes, it's more than just a jewelry. It's a statement of power and elegance. That's why I really believe that I'd be a perfect fit for Effie, driven by passion for sales, love for people, and a genuine appreciation for artistry. Thank you for considering my application, and I really look forward to a chance to shine as a part of Effie family. Thank you.